I just got these 3-pack of tummy control tank tops, and man, oh man, these are going to be fantastic underneath like dresses or tighter shirts, or honestly just, I mean, not with these like crazy leggings, but with like jeans, having them tucked in and then having something over top. I think they're going to be really cute. So I did go with the XL. I am a 2XL. I'm a size 18-20. I'm not going to lie, I did need my husband just to help pull down the back because I was a little bit sweaty. So it is like small. Obviously, as you can see, I'm not that tiny, but there is tons of stretch. So yes, it does take a second to get wiggled into it, but once I'm in it, it is not uncomfortable. I feel like I can breathe. I feel like I can move because it is so stretchy. I don't feel like really like my airways are cut off, which obviously is a great thing. As I said, it is a 3-pack, so these are the 3 colors I did get, but they do have other colors as well. There's a really nice like bright pink one, which would be really cute underneath something. But yeah, so I think this will be really great, you know, to wear with something like this, but with a cute pair of jeans, or as I said, just to get that tummy controlled underneath a tighter outfit.